snowing. Snow, snow.
Can you get some mussels? It's refreshing. It's sweet. There's blueberry inside. It's good, actually. Clear water, beautiful. A lot of fish. Yep. It's a bunch of them. Oh my god, there's so many of them. Oh, they're looking at us. Oh, that's so cool. Look how much I can zoom. So yeah, welcome to my man, mushroom. Hi. It's not expected like that.
Chip pie.
Welcome to Manchester, New Hampshire, the biggest city in Hampshire.
Show me faded color, fields of chamomile.
That's it for my New Hampshire videos. I hope you guys enjoyed them. There are 2 of them. I'll put the first one in the link down below in the description box. I had a blast. I think you can see in the video. It was just super cool. The mountains, the wildlife, the woods, everything is just so great. I think New Hampshire is probably my second favorite state so far. Montana being the first one. Montana's wilderness is very high. it's wow. A few of you guys asked if I was gonna go to Maine or Vermont after that. I won't at this time. Definitely gonna go into those 2 states in the future. Definitely want to explore more of this area in the future. I'll see you next week in St. Louis. I did not want to go back to France as I have friends in St. Louis now after my summer trip. You know, remember last summer I did a tour. Most of the people were from St. Louis. I met some amazing friends. I went there and, you know, met up with them. That was cool. And I also did some more explorations around Illinois and Missouri. So much to explore. It's the Midwest is so interesting, guys. You're gonna see that in the next videos. Also wanted to mention that we saw a fisher. How rare is that? So a fisher is, you're gonna only see them in the woods, mountains, and, you know, North America. So I talked about that to my St. Louis friends and none of them knew what it was. They thought it was a bird, and well, it's probably because they're in the Midwest, so you don't have any fisher over there. But it was interesting. It was interesting. I don't know if you've ever seen one, but there's some animals like that. It's like so one of a kind and so great to be able to witness it in real life. We were really happy, especially my friend. Me too, obviously. But I may not even see one in the future, you know, it's so rare. Just wanted to pop up and say thank you for watching, and I hope you are enjoying the videos. When I'm traveling, it's hard for me to just sit down and talk to you because I'm usually like taking everything out. So much is going on and doing explorations all day long, so usually by the evening I'm exhausted, but good exhaustion, you know, good tiredness. Oh, I don't know how you say that, but it's good. It's just that sometimes, you know, when I edit the videos, I wish I was like sitting down sometimes and talking to you a bit more, which I'm definitely gonna try to do in my next adventure. So I'll see you next week. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Happy spring, finally. I saw a lot of you guys in America especially, you got a lot of snow, so it's not spring for you yet, but well, it's gonna come. Thank you for watching and take care of yourself. Bye.